My name is Igor Popov. I'm the chief economist at Apartment List, and we've been tracking the evolution of rents really carefully since the start of the pandemic. But I want to call out one trend today that's really come into focus in the past couple of months. Nationally, rents are down 1.4% from the same time last year. So the rental market is definitely feeling the recession's impact. But when we look at a market by market level, we see a lot of variation out there. In particular, what's been grabbing the headlines, it's been plummeting rents in some of the priciest coastal rental markets in the nation. But at the same time, that's not the whole story. We've been seeing suburban rent growth really start to heat up. And we just ran a study comparing rent growth in principal cities to rent growth in those cities' corresponding suburbs. And we're starting to see big divergence across the two groups. When we look at core cities, principal cities in the top metros, rents are down on average over 5% year over year. When we look at those same cities' suburbs, rents in those areas are actually up a tad. They're up about a half a percentage point year on year. Denver is a prime example of this, where Denver proper has seen falling rents throughout the pandemic, but every other smaller city in the Denver metro has actually seen rents grow year on year. So if the past decade was really all about proximity, walkability, and that led to a real resurgence and flourishing of core cities and especially central business districts, I think this uneven recovery is starting to tell us that the next decade will look pretty different. As always, would love to continue the conversation. Please reach out to research@apartmentlist.com and look forward to talking to you soon.